Hey guys, so I've been MIA for a little bit because I was cat sitting, but I'm back now. And I ordered 5 large t-shirts from a company called Good Fair. They're basically an online thrift, but the catch is that you have no idea what you're gonna get. So I'm gonna do a little unboxing. This is what it comes in. Very minimalistic, recyclable, yada yada. I was so tempted to open it, but I stopped myself because I wanted an accurate reaction. Okay. Ooh, this is interesting. Alright. Oh, I got a sticker. Pass some love around. It's all crooked. Okay, so it says, "Hey, good Varian. Unfortunately, we were not able to meet all your preference requests. We searched high and low, yada yada yada." Oh, there's another, I get another 20% off if I order again. I'll put that code down below for anyone that wants it. Replacements are free. Keep the product you received and consider it on us. All we ask is that you cover a $4 fee. Listen to this. If you find that your purchase doesn't spark joy, no worries. We're happy to replace it with something you'll dig even more. I like that. Okay. There was a sticker. It said second hand, not second rate. Wash before wearing. Size may vary from tag. Alright, whatever. Okay. So, these are the shirts I got. Let's see. This is interesting. It says NCIS, Washington. Okay. Oh, God. Oh, no. Oh, no. It's a real good time. FCC LA Fish Camp 2016. What did I do? Alright, this one says Alan Younglife. What? Do you know who this is? Alan Younglife? And then the back is kind of cool. The back is kind of cool. Okay, this is my favorite one so far. It says iPad Palooza. Oh my god. Oh boy. Last one. Oh no. No. This says home. TC. And then on the back, it says Maverick Theater Company. The state at night is big and... Oh, the stage. The stage at night is big and bright. I think I'm gonna get a replacement package. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. That was a real quick video. I really wanted to do like bike shorts and an oversized tee, so that's what I tried. God, this is so stupid. It's a real good time. iPad Palooza. Everything I got is from Texas. Like, this is Texas, this is Texas. Let's just say this is Texas, and this is DC, and this is Texas. Okay then. Well, it was still a fun experience, and $4 for another 5 shirts is like, I'll do it, you know? And then I'll stop after that. But, yeah. So I'm gonna throw these in the wash. But, yeah. Bye, guys.